All right, let's see what's going to happen. 15 laps. This could be anybody's race. We watched the 131 start in the back and win the race. Will it happen for the 21 car? And Ryan Finley's setting the pace. They're going to bring him around. Here they come, here they come, here they come! Green flag, and we're racing! And it's Finley off to the races. Here comes Scott Kerner to pull away from Doug Orseski. It's it's not Orseski, that's Dragmeyer. And Dragmeister is in third, but it's Finley and Kerner for the lead. Kerner right almost into the back of Finley. Rich Dragmeister in third, followed by Doug Orseski, followed by Ken Dragmeister. And we've got a great battle for the lead here. Scott Kerner, also a super late model driver, looking to challenge Finley. Here he goes to the inside of him. Whoa, hang on to it, Kerner. Woo! As they are side by side in this early going, Kerner challenges Finley. It's going to be Kerner to try to pull away from him, but don't count him out. So it's Kerner now your new leader. Finley almost made a move right back at him. Here comes Finley again to challenge Kerner. But it's Doug Orseski to challenge Rich Dragmeister as well. Here comes Finley. So it looks like maybe Scott Kerner lost a little bit there. No, not that time. Kerner pulls away. As it's still Kerner, your leader. Here comes Finley to challenge Kerner for the lead. Seven laps in, 8 to go for Scott Kerner. Dragmeister feeling the pressure from Orseski back in third place. It's Finley again to look to the inside of Kerner. Finley dives down hard to try to make a move. He lost a little ground that time on that move, but he'll regather and try it again. Nine laps in, 6 to go, Rockford Speedway. Five to go, next time by, that time right there. Scott Kerner is your leader, but here comes Finley. Four to go. Who's going to win this race? Looks like Scott Kerner might be pulling away from Ryan Finley. White flag out for Scott Kerner. But Finley's right there. Let's see if he makes a move, Rockford Speedway. Who's going to win this race? Here comes your winner. Who's it going to be? It's going to be close. Whoa! Scott Kerner hangs on against Finley. Ryan Finley gets second, third place to Rich Dragmeister. Fourth place to Doug Orseski. How about that, Rockford Speedway, for our feature number one? All the way from Joliet, Illinois. Illini Racing Series. Make some noise, Rockford Speedway's getting out. Scott. Scott, come on over here. I have a word with you here. That was a lot of fun to watch as you and Ryan Finley, man, you guys were back and forth when you passed him. Like it was maybe over for him. No, not whatsoever. He was right there. And on that last lap, I didn't know who was going to win. It was almost like a photo finish. Did you feel the pressure from him or what?
Well, I figured the same thing. I got out in front of him, and next thing I know, I could hear him right underneath me. So he was right back on me. So we had a close race last week at Grundy, and he was right on me again this week. So
Do you have anybody you'd like to thank, Scott?
Want to thank Laverne Spencer and Johanna Spencer for letting me drive the car. Thank you to the Deary family and Rockford Speedway for having the Midgets here. They've been a great supporter of midget racing with us. Thank you all the fans for coming out and during the heat. Thanks, everybody.
So I got to ask you this. What's more fun to race on, dirt or asphalt?
Well, I got a couple wins on asphalt and all top fives on dirt this year so far, but it's both fun. So I just like to race.
And how many different divisions do you race in?
Well, I've raced right now just the midgets and the late models at Grundy County Speedway, but then we also go, when we have off weekends for the pavement, we go run some of the dirt with Badger or IMRA. So.
No super late model this year?
Yeah, we ran at Grundy last night, and hopefully we get some of these other races going. We'll hit a couple Midwest Tour races and stuff as well.
Definitely. Thank you very much, Scott. Once again, Rockford Speedway, make some noise. It's Scott Kerner.